So I have installed back all lens blocks with lens. You can see now here's objectives, here's exit force blocks, and here the third and the second blocks. When we rotate this big thing with profiled discs, we can see as blocks are pushed away from the center to make proper positioning for zoom functions. When we turn the dial back, those parts should be returned down with some kind of springs. I haven't attached those springs yet, but when they are attached, we can see as those internal blocks are moving toward each other. And finally, on a biggest magnification, they're located just in the center. So here's all mechanical interconnection between parts. So I need to attach springs, and we have to see what is the alignment so far. So all lens parts are inserted back, assembled back into the frame. We can see now all our 4 sets of lenses. Here's objective lenses, first block that consists of 3 lenses, one glued doublet and simple lens here. We have here another block, second, I name it second. It consists of 4 lenses made as 2 glued pairs for each channel. To that we have got a third block. I had issue in this block, so I used a donor one. It consists of 3 lenses, glued doublet and a single lens, and finally we have got our exit block of lens. It consists of 4 lenses in 2 doublets, if I am not that wrong. And you can see that many of blocks have abilities to make some kind of adjustments here. I can rotate this block to change its height. I can rotate it a bit, this and that. Okay. And I have a possibility to rotate objective block here for my adjustments. You can see how it rotates. And here I can make some XY shifts here, and another I can rotate this third block, can rotate lens blocks in their frames too. We see it. And finally, at our exit lenses, if they're under adjustment process, I can loose those exit screws, and after that loosen, I can change position of those blocks too. I can move them in XY positions here. They're a bit tighter now. Oh, I've released them. So you can see every block has its XY positioning, and by the way, we can make Z positioning here too, with rotating a whole block. So we got our Nikon SMZ-U zoom module assembled, and you can see how it changes its internal proportions when we turn zoom dial. We have some profiling disc here on both sides, one side for one block. When you rotate it, this block has a ball bearing, little ball bearing down here, or you can see it, little ball bearing. This ball bearing is pushed by this profiling disc. Thus, we change positions of second and third blocks by some profiling proportions, thus having a zooming option without losing focus. So it's how it all looks like. You can see that this part is not moving freely for some reason. It's a question of greasing, and I need to check when I finish maintaining this side should move very easily, but now it's getting stuck a bit. It's not a problem. So here's internal schematic of our Nikon SMZ-U microscope. You can see a huge empty space here. Don't know why that exists, but still it's down here. And after the space we have connection to the focuser here. So now the question that is left, what is the adjustment so far? We will definitely need to make a very big amount of adjustments, because every positions of every lens will change it severely. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm trying to get to see the adjustments on the stand of this zoom body. I'll try to do it a bit later. Thank you for watching. So here is our alignment before getting precise actions. Here's a limited minimum magnification. If you're talking about channels, here's right channel, a bit defocus, not that much. Here's left channel, a bit defocus too, stronger defocus than the left, than the right. Here's the left. I can make a bit bigger magnification from the phone, so you can see our still right channel is just right, left channel is a bit fuzzy. When we change magnification, you can see that misalignment is getting much bigger. And let's check what have we got here. Here's right channel, focus is pretty sharp, and here's left channel, sharp too, but very strongly shifted from proper position here. But still it's our we could say initial, not that nice adjustment after assembling all lenses back into the Nikon SMZ-U frame. And you can see when I move a dial past the lower position, when I push it a bit, channels are getting shifted a bit after that. It's not good, but I need to fix it. It's just mechanical issue here. So not that bad so far. Thank you for watching.